guys, look at my calamansi here. I'm just so proud how it grows and how healthy it is. And so gusto ko lang i-share kasi reading from the internet, marami nagtatanong how to grow the calamansi. Ayan. You won't believe it, pero the first time I get it, akala ko mamamatay na siya. Kasi I don't have an idea how to take care of it. As in, wala na talaga yung mga dahon, naninilaw na. Pagkatapos, kinain pa siya ng caterpillar. And muntik ko na siya i-give up. Actually. But, I'm glad I didn't. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, nakakatuwa how kung paano siya namamunga, kung gaano siya kasipag mamunga. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayun nga. Gusto ko na sana siya i-give up. So, gusto ko na lang siya nangangayaan. Nalaman siya kung hanggang saan siya tatagal. But I learned that to grow a plant, kailangan mo rin maging passionate sa kanya. I am actually treating this like a baby now. Ayan, so pumunta dito si tatay, my father, pumunta siya dito and I asked him, and fortunately my father is a farmer, and so I asked him, how can I revive this plant? Paano ang gagawin ko? And sabi niya, ayaw ng kalamansi ng maraming tubig. So, akala ko, the more you water it, the more it will grow healthy. But, ang gusto pala ng kalamansi ay konting tubig lang. So, from then on, konting tubig lang. Minsan kasi, kapag natutuyo na yung ibabaw, akala mo, uhaw na siya. Pero, eto kakadilig ko lang kagabi. So, hindi ko na siya diniligan kanina umaga. Yan. Kapag, pero, mukhang tuyo sa ibabaw. Sometimes, mukhang tuyo na to sa ibabaw, pero sa ilalim niya pasapa. So, ayaw ng kalamansi ng masyadong babad sa tubig. Okay? And, sabi ng tatay, kailangan ko daw siya, yan, i-cultivate around. So, ang kalamansi ay gustong-gusto ng espesyal na pag-aalaga. Gusto niya, nafe-feel niya mahalaga siya. So, ayan. Sorry. So, you just have to cultivate around it. So, hindi naman kailangan ganun kalalim. Ayan. So, just rake around it. Just rake around it. Okay. Ayan. And so like I said, what I've said kanina, you have to take care of it with love and passion. Treat it like a baby. And look at how kung gaano siya kasipag mamulaklak, mamunga. Ooh, I have little babies here. And actually, this is the eldest. Look. Can you see it? Oh, medyo blurred. Okay, ayan. That's the eldest. Ayan, that's how big it is. Alright guys, thank you and hope you enjoy and you learn something from me. Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you.